Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to give you the character of Antonio from the drama The Tempest by William Shakespeare. Previously I uploaded the characters of Prospero, Alonso, Miranda, Ferdinand, Caliban and Ariel. Now I am giving you the character of Antonio. Come on, let's start. Antonio is the younger brother of Prospero, the former Duke of Milan. He is a villain. He is a treacherous person. He is not at all dependable as a brother. He was trusted by his elder brother Prospero. His elder brother Prospero gave the charge of state affairs to him in good faith and devoted himself to the study of books. This trust was misused by Antonio. He repaid this trust with treachery, deceit, and disloyalty. He became very ambitious. With the help of King of Naples, he threw Prospero out of his dukedom in his lust for power and ambition. He sold his self-respect and state to the King of Naples. Antonio is much experienced conspirator. He gets delight by conspiring for personal gains and for the gain of others. On the island, the king and Gonzalo and other courtiers go to sleep. He prevails upon Sebastian to kill the king and become the king of Naples himself. He also urges the murder of Gonzalo, who might prove a source of danger in the future. Antonio is a thankless person. Alonso helped Antonio in getting the dukedom of Milan. Now, the same Alonso becomes the victim of his plan of murder. By joining the plot against Alonso, he becomes a devil. Antonio is a heartless person. He joins Sebastian in making fun of Gonzalo when the latter tries to console Alonso in his grief. The king is feeling very sad and disappointed on account of the supposed loss of his son, Ferdinand. He feels no pity for the king's distressed condition. In dealing with Sebastian, Antonio uses flattery. When Sebastian asks him whether conscience does not make him uneasy, he says that there is no such thing as conscience. Conscience, he says, should not stand between a man and his ambition. Being devoid of human feeling, Antonio joins Sebastian in mocking at Gonzalo when the latter tries to console Alonso in his grief. When several strange ships appear bringing delicious dishes at a banquet, Antonio indulges in loose talk. When Ariel denounces the three culprits, Antonio is not affected by remorse as Alonso is. Okay, up to this much. With this, I am concluding this video. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.